Hi SIT232, this is my video demonstration for Task5.1P. So here's my code file with animal.inheritance, my zoo park with inheritance, my eagle file, my feline, my lion, wolf, and my overloading class along with my penguin, tiger, and where's my bird? Yep, here's my bird class as well. So yeah, let's start with uh, animal with inheritance. So I have my class animal, which will have several private strings such as name, diet, location, weight, age, and color. And here, this is the constructor of my animal class with string name, age, get it in second method, and with several functions such as eat, sleep, and make noise. With eat method, an animal eats, sleep method, an animal has slept, make noise, an animal makes a noise. So that's my animal with inheritance. Now my bird class, which is a subclass of animal which inherits from animal. So it has additional two functions such as species and wingspan. So along with that bird, name, diet, location, weight, age, color, species and wingspans are coming from the bird class, and rest of it are coming from the base class which is animal. So this is my bird class. Also, eagle inherits from bird. So eagle would be having all the functionality which it inherits from the base class, which is the bird class, which inherits from the animal class. Similarly, this is my feline class, which inherits from animal and which has uh, uh, one extra value which is species, and rest of the values it inherits from the animal class, and the species it's from the feline class. And lion inherits from the feline class, all the base values from feline class which inherits from the animal class. Again, wolf is an animal, all of it inherits from the animal class. And this is my overloading file, method to be overloaded, which we'll talk about later on. And penguin is a bird which has a wingspan, and it has several functions such as lay egg, fly, eat, make noise, and sleep. Such as lay egg, on average I lay egg two eggs per year. Fly, I can't fly. Eat, I eat 1 pound of fish. Make noise, honking, I slept for 7 hours. And this tiger is a subclass of feline with color stripes as one more functionality of it. So these are rest of the method, and the color stripes comes from the tiger class already. So these are the classes, and I would be talking about the overloading in the last by the end of the video. So here's my zoo park, so which is the main method. Now I have defined a this is my instance for tiger, which is Tony Tiger, in which the Tony the tiger is the name. This right here, Tony the tiger is the name. String, the diet is meat, the location is a catland, and the weight is 110. Age is 6. Color is orange and white. Species is Serbian, and color stripe is white. Again with the wolf, wolf has the name of William the Wolf. Diet is fish. Location is Birdmania. Weight is weight is 20. Age is 15. Color is black. Alrighty. Similarly for rest of the instances of their respective classes. Now I have a console.readline, and now I am executing the functions from the base animal, the Tony animal sleep, and the William sleep, and the eagle sleep. If you see in my animal, all of these are public virtual void eat. And if I say feline, feline has eat. Alright, public override eat. So if this eagle won't be having this public override thing, then it's gonna print the same thing as an element eats. But since it is overriding the base class function, so it would be saying I can eat 1 pound of fish. Let's try to execute this thing. .NET run. Oops, the program has more than one entry point. This is because of the overloading class, I believe. Yeah, this is because of the overloading class. If I move the overloading class, somewhere in the desktop and save it and try to rerun it. Yep, an animal has slept for 18 hours. Let's go back to the animal function. zoo park. Already base animal dot sleep. What's our base animal? Hmm. Let's see. William. Boy. Base animal is an animal with animal name, animal diet, animal location, which is a class of animal. If we go to the class animal and say sleeps, an animal has slept. All good, but an animal has slept. It's showing the same thing. With zoo park, now Tony Tiger dot sleep. If we go to tiger and sleep function, we don't have sleep function, so we go to feline. Feline would be having a sleep function, so it says I have slept for 18 hours. Similarly, for rest of the instances of several things, if we go to penny penguin dot fly, we go to penny penguin, which is a class of penguin, and here it says fly method. I can't fly. Similarly, you can see I can't fly over here. So this is how inheritance work. It uses the function from the base class, and if the instance of the base class is being overwritten, then it print result accordingly. So that's the thing. Now we would be running the overloading function. So for that, what I would do is mm, I would select all of these files, and firstly I edit overloading, and then I will select rest of the files and put them in my desktop for now. All good. Now I'm having just overloading. So now if you see, I just have one file which is overloading.cs, and what it does is I have two methods with same name, method to be overloaded and method to be overloaded. But the difference is that one of the first method is only having one parameter, which is name, but the second method is having two parameters, name and age. And when I call the first method, which is same as method to be overloaded, with only one parameter, then this thing runs. But if I if I call the same method with two parameters, then this thing runs. Let's try to execute it. Mm. So you see, first this is written, so this is only print name to be unsure, and in the second thing, it has two parameter. Firstly, it's gonna print the name and then the age, and this spacing is because of this backslash n. So that's the video demonstration. Thank you.